Every year, between January and March, small, sleepy villages all across Benin burst into life as families of farmers hurry to harvest cotton. After a grueling 12 weeks, once every piece of cotton has been picked, the farmers line up to load it onto huge trucks, which then lug it to cotton processing plants in nearby towns. By the end of March, billions of cotton bales sit patiently in cotton processing plants all across Benin, each one waiting to be shipped off to countries all across the globe, from Bangladesh to France to the US. But in 2016, President Patrice Talon noticed that millions and millions of cotton bales were still there by May, and by June, and even by July. By the end of the year, Benin had sold less than half the amount of cotton it had sold the year before. And without enough cotton sales, thousands of farmers were plunged back into dire poverty as they couldn't afford the rice and meat they needed to get by. Patrice immediately checked to see whether the price of Beninese cotton had changed, but was shocked to find that it was exactly the same as it had been the year before. And still, for some reason, countries weren't buying anywhere near as much cotton this year. So why was no one demanding Benin's cotton? The answer is Benin's exchange rate. An exchange rate gives us the price of one currency in terms of another. And Patrice realised that Benin's exchange rate had appreciated since the year before, which meant that Benin's cotton exports became more expensive to foreign consumers. As Spicy tells us, stronger pound means imports cheaper, exports expensive. And we can change the pound in Spicy to any other currency. And now that Beninese cotton was more expensive for foreign consumers, they were buying much less of it, plunging thousands of Beninese cotton farmers back into dire poverty. So, to understand how to get Benin selling billions of cotton bales again, Patrice needed to revisit exchange rates, starting by learning more about the factors that influence exchange rates.